Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the foundations right. Update your GPU driver and Windows to the latest builds so Directx 12 gets proper fixes. Once done, enable game mode and set your power plan to high performance to avoid CPU frequency scaling. Make sure background apps are closed and overlays disabled. They often steal CPU/GPU time. You're doing this now because stutter often comes from power or driver mismatches. Fix those first, and the rest of the steps will act on a stable platform. Next, you'll adjust the game and system settings to reduce buffering mismatches. Switch to full screen exclusive or stable borderless, then disable VSync and enable low latency or frame pacing features in your GPU control panel. This prevents queuing too many frames. Reduce render scale or shadow detail to avoid GPU spikes, and use an FPS limit that your hardware holds consistently, such as 60 or 120. These changes smooth frame delivery and reduce hitching caused by sudden GPU load spikes. Finally, you fine-tune and verify results by measuring. Enable an overlay that shows GPU and CPU frame times to identify spikes. Once you see a bottleneck, lower the offending setting. If threads are mismanaged, try setting CPU affinity or temporarily disabling simultaneous multithreading to test improvement. If stuttering continues, perform a clean driver reinstall or roll back to a known good driver. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a different game or benchmark to confirm whether the problem is game-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.